This is just a little impromptu vlog. I'm going to be walking around Our Lady's Island today. Here's the start of it. It's a little countryside in the middle. I'll put a map up where it is located. It's at the bottom of Wexford. We're going to do a little walk around. I'm helping a lady. She's doing her doctorate, and it's something to do with the Camino. People have walked the Camino. We'll walk around, and then there's this. She's going to do an interview with us each later on. But today we're just going to go for a stroll around. So I'm going to vlog it if I see something interesting to show you what Ladies Island looks like. It's a nice little peaceful community center. There's the church in front. There's a shop there. There's public toilets, gas station, and that's pretty much about it. There's a community center over there with a coffee shop. So today I'm just gonna go for a nice little walk around, and maybe if there's anything interesting, I'll show you.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, instead I'm thinking of strangers, I'm thinking of haters, I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking of payday, worried I won't make it. First I think of a delicate thing, and then of it breaking.